Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, are you waiting for your Vinted order to arrive? Tracking lets you see exactly where your parcel is. So most shipments are tracked automatically inside the app. It only takes a few seconds to check. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually track Vinted Parcel. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. If you are on a phone, Android or even iOS, it's totally doable to open the Vinted app. So go all the way, open the Vinted app, log in, make sure everything is looking good, then go and look for the inbox section. But for today, I'm gonna go to Vinted.com. It's basically the same platform, but their website. So I also should log in using my email address and password to access this inbox. So after tapping on inbox, open the order conversation, then tap track basically on the parcel itself. Then view real-time tracking updates. There is also this alternative method using the tracking number on the company website. Just go on Google, tap the company name, then go and use the tracking number on their website itself. You should also allow like 24 hours for tracking to update after shipment. Then turn on notifications for any delivery updates. As for like a pro tip, if tracking hasn't updated for like several days, you should contact the company first before opening a dispute. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.